Hi, welcome to our last video, the dissection of rat. Let's move on to the external part of rat. Let's start first with the eyes. Eyes placed anteriorly in the skull. The center area through which light enters the eye is the pupil. The next one will be vibrissae. They are tactile organs very useful in nocturnal animals. For the ears, they are long flexible fold of the ear called prina. It is composed of cartilage covered with skin. Through the external nares, air can be drawn through this opening into the respiratory system. Let's go into the internal part of the rat. The first one will be the liver. The liver has many functions, one of which aids in digesting fat. The liver also stores glycogen and transforms waste into less harmful substances. Rats do not have a gallbladder, which is used for storing bile in other animals. The next one is esophagus. Esophagus moves food from the mouth to the stomach. It is distinguished from the trachea by its lack of cartilage rings. The stomach's functions include food storage, physical breakdown of food, and the digestion of protein. While spleen, it is associated with the circulatory system and functions in the destruction of blood cells and blood storage. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes that are sent to the intestine via small ducts, which is the pancreatic duct. The pancreas also secretes insulin, which is important in the regulations of glucose metabolism. The small intestine is a slender coil tube that receives partially digested food from the stomach through the pyloric sphincter. It consists of three sections: duodenum, ileum, and jejunum. The small intestine will lead to the cecum. While for cecum, it is where food is temporarily stored. For the large intestines, is where the final stages of digestion and water absorption occur, and it contains a variety of bacteria to help in digestion. The rectum functions in temporarily stores feces before they are expelled from the body. The kidney is the primary organs of the excretory system. These kidneys are large bean-shaped structures located toward the back of the abdominal cavity of either side of the spine. Renal arteries and veins supply the kidneys with blood. The heart of a rat acts like a pumping organ where the blood vessels circulate the blood within the body and the lungs oxygenated the blood. Let's begin our dissection. The first step is that the chloroform is used to put the rat into a deep sleep. Then the rat is placed onto the dissection tray and the rat is pinned down to make sure it doesn't move. As you can see, this is the external anatomy of rat. Eyes, ear, nose, mouth, vibrissae, arms, claws, leg, and tail can be seen. The rat skin is cut using forceps and scalpel from the lower part until the upper part of the rat near its neck. Next, the muscle of the rat is cut and pinned to the tree. The organs of the rat can be seen. These pair gonads are the ovaries of the female rat. The ovaries involved in reproduction system, where the ovaries will release egg cells into the oviducts. This is the brain, lung, and the heart of the rat. Lastly, these are the esophagus, stomach, pancreas, kidney, rectum, small and the large intestine.